From time to time, you will come across text that cannot be read when you activate your Read Aloud tool. That's because this text is recognized as an image or PDF. You will need to activate your screenshot reader or this dotted box with a plus in the corner. This tool uses optical character recognition to open up the text so that it can be read, translated, and simplified. When I click on the box, I get crosshairs on my screen. I will need to click and drag a box around the text I would like read. No need to keep your finger on the mouse pad for this. You can lift and release it. When I click down, it will begin to process, and as soon as it processes, it will read aloud.
Alma's first cattle drive by Nancy Segal. Blinding lightning flashed across.
All of my tools work the same once I have opened it up and had it recognized as text. So my Read Aloud tool, my Color Overlay tool, my Simplify Vocabulary and Translations work as well. When I activate Simplify Vocabulary, it will open in a separate box over here. It works the same. As you can see, I can click between the words if it has a simplified word or definition underneath it. So incredible becomes amazing, astounding. So here we go. We can see the original word is astounding, the simplified word is amazing, and then it also still gives me that translated word because I have my translations turned on. It works the same, it's just in a smaller box. When I'm done with this, and if I need to use my translations, I do the exact same thing. I put a box around the text I would like translated. Once it recognizes the text, I'll turn off my Read Aloud tool. I will activate my translation tool. I will highlight the text. It will open in a separate box. For this one, I do need to X out of the box behind it, and I can toggle between Spanish and English. All of the tools on the toolbar do work in the translation and simplified box, the Read Aloud, color overlays. All you need to do is first put that OCR box around it, open up the text, and then activate the rest of your tools in order to have full access to the text, translations, simplification, Read Aloud, and color overlay.